Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix this Bitexchanger 3.2 Smtp server, how we can configure this. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm just showing you how we can do that. So first go to your cPanel and click on here like this email account option and open a new tab, and just you need to create a new branding email. Okay, so just click on this create account and select your domain, which domain you want to create a branding email. I just select here my domain because my site now in this subdomain, so I just selected this subdomain and input here like username like support, info, help, something like this. So I just input here like help and this domain. Okay, and you need to input here and a security and a password. So I just input here a security password, something like ABCD. Basically this is for testing purpose. Okay, so I just input here like this password. I just copy here this password and okay, and just click on this create account. When it's done, then you'll see we got a new email account, and just we need to manage this account. Okay, just click on this manage account. Alright, so we don't need to manage this. Just click on this check email option, and just click on this configure mail clients. And here, as you can see, your SMTP everything. Okay, so basically this is our username, and this here password, display input and a password, and here incoming server port and the outgoing server port. Okay, I hope guys you understand that thing. So now I just go to here my file manager and select here my domain, select my subdomain, and here as you can see this total all file like Bitexchanger 3.2 total all file are present here. Just click on this config option, just click on this config folder, and when you click on this config folder, then you'll see a page like this, and just we need to change it, we need to configure this SMTP setting. Okay, just click on this SMTP setting and click on this edit button, and again click on this edit button, and as you can see here everything blank. Just we need to change something here. Just select true, SMTP server true, and just we need to input here the host, how we can get the host. Okay, so it's a very simple trick. I have a trick. Basically this is my cPanel URL, this is my domain name, and another is something like this. So just remove here this S, remove here S and enter. Then as you can see we got a server link. Just copy here and go to our SMTP setting and replace here this link. Okay, so I just remove here something like this and HTTPS. Okay, so this is our host. Okay, so I hope guys you understand this is our host, and just we need to input here the user. So what is our user? Basically this is our username. So I just copy here this username and again go to here. Okay, alright, so paste our username, and just I need to input here the password. I just copy here and click on this password, and we need to input here this port. So basically you need to see what you want to do. Just I want to set up here the outgoing. Okay, outgoing something like this. So I just input here 6465 something. I just input here like this, and here as you can see yes or no. So I just input here 1 and save. Alright, so basically now our SMTP server safe in Bitexchanger 3.2. So if you want to configure this, you can easily do that. And one thing is, if you see it's, if you notice that it's not working, or if you got a problem, simple problem, just change here this SMTP port to 0 and change here this port, change the port. Just here as you can see, this another port, outgoing another port. Basically this is non-SSL and this is SSL recommended. So if you don't need any SSL, just input here 0 and change here this port, and here is the true. Okay, and I think guys you understand that thing. And if you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.